was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.